hell out here wants to go. Look, so we haven't hit another goal. So we haven't eaten 6 years. Good morning, guys. Today we have exciting stuff to unbox, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it. Oh, let's start with this one. Before we get to unboxing everything, for those of you who are new to the channel, I've been talking for this for a long time. I have an 04 STI, and that's the only STI year model that came with the 5x100 bolt pattern. So it's the only year, and it made it super hard for me to find wheels that actually fit and clear the Brembo. So what I did was I talked to a bunch of different people about doing the 5x114 bolt pattern swap. And I mean, we've been talking about this for like 6 months, and it's finally here. So this is exciting, guys. I literally got every single thing I need now to do this swap, and once we unbox everything, I'll kind of let you guys know when that's all going down. But let's go ahead and do this. First off, we got brand new rotors. I got front and rear slotted. And these are Stop Tech rotors. So these are sick. Here's the other one. So there it is. Front and rear. Oh, yes they are. See that? So I didn't necessarily need new rotors, because the hubs that I got for the 5x114, I got them off the JDM car, and I just decided, well, if I'm going to be in there already, I might as well get new rotors and new brake pads. So these are the brake pads, these are the rears, I got the fronts right here. So I guess the only way to find out is to actually throw them on and see how they do. I know there's a, what do they call it? There's things that you can do beforehand to minimize the squealing or the squeaking or whatever. So we'll definitely do that. Definitely try and minimize it, but that's for this stuff. Now it's time to get to the very, very exciting thing of this video. I need to mentally prepare myself for this moment. I waited a month for these. So Fortunato Coilovers, they're a company that does custom coilovers to your specs specifically, and like I said, I waited a whole month for these, so I've definitely been anxious to open these, but I waited until you guys were here, so let's go ahead and do it. First, this is cool packaging. First thing we got some Fortunato stickers. We got our spanner wrenches and key. Dirt guide. Certificate of assembly. So this is who built these coilovers. Built by Chris Smith. 4518 was the day they were finished. Shout out to Chris.
You have to open it.
Yeah. I said so far.
Oh, did you?
Damn. I've waited so long for these coilovers, it's crazy. So we got same thing as Nestor, camber plates. With the Swift springs for these are highly recommended. I talked to a bunch of different people, Ruben, Javier, Goots311 on Instagram, and he's saying these are probably the best thing you can do is get the Swift Springs, so that's what I went with. And then this one, I don't think this one had...
No camber adjustment for the back?
No, I don't think so. No. But
it is the hash slinging slasher.
The slash bringing hasher?
The hash slinging slasher.
the hash slinging, hash slinging. Right there. Yeah, so this is left, right. Dude, I kind of like the color. I'm not gonna lie.
I like the blue.
He doesn't.
You have warranty on these?
What's up?
You have warranty on these?
You know, I'm not sure. I know they can, you can like send them in. They can like rebuild them for you.
Oh, okay.
Is there two or one?
Oh, there we go. Remember these coilovers?
They're broken, dude.
Dude, no, they were like, the spring was like not even compressed, which is super bad.
Let's install them on Thursday.
So you're gonna get this mess off my lawn.
So there it is, guys. I'm excited for these coilovers. I don't know why Luis is holding the camera. I'm excited for these coilovers, guys. I waited so long for these and they are finally here. When they told me 1 month, I thought it would go by fast, but I was literally waiting forever. And this is the last piece that I was waiting for. A couple videos back, I told you guys this was the last thing that I needed, and they finally came. So that means that we are now going to install these. We're going to install the new rotors and pads, and we're going to do the entire 5x114 swap on Wednesday of this week. What we're doing is we're heading down to Javier's shop on Wednesday. We're going to drop everything on Wednesday, I believe, because I'm not off work till 2. So we have like a half day to drop everything, and then the next day, which is Thursday, we're going to head back over and then we're going to install everything. Javier replaced his GC with GD everything. So he says that this is going to be a piece of cake. So hopefully, I'm excited to learn stuff. I'm excited to go in there and do all this that we've never done before.
Mine is done.
A build is never done. How long did it take for you and your father to install these coilovers? Which we haven't talked about.
What do you mean?
We have not talked about your car yet.
So?
Oh, buddy. Let's walk over. So Nestor actually lowered his car, and we were supposed to make a video about it, but you know,
it was too overexposed, so you guys lost the footage.
what was?
The lowering video, remember?
What do you mean?
You lost footage.
No, we didn't.
Yes, you did.
No. See, this is what happened. We were supposed to install them, but you know, like the father-son playing catch.
You never had a father.
No, so car guys don't play catch with their fathers. They install coilovers. So he did it with his dad, which is like completely fine. That was cool. But he got it lowered now, so
Not the front. Even this doesn't fit, dude.
so you have nothing, no gap in the back. But he doesn't have his fenders rolled, so he's rubbing really bad in the backs right now.
Oh, and it's not flat either. Go to the other side. So they're pretty even on the back.
And he still has like a 2-inch gap up front, because that still needs to get lowered. But the fronts need to get rolled as well before he does that.
That's how you
Another box.
So now that I got my new coilovers, Luis is gonna take ownership of the ones that are on my car right now, and then we're gonna lower his car. He got a boost control because he's got a downpipe coming in, and then we're gonna get his car tuned as well. So a lot of stuff happening for Luis's car. He also got that front lip. I just can't believe they're here, guys. This swap is finally coming after so long of talking about it. It's finally here, so I'm excited for next week, and then hopefully my bumper is done tomorrow. This guy's been telling me that he's been He just keeps saying tomorrow, tomorrow.
Why you keep on saying tomorrow?
Because tomorrow is when it's gonna happen. Oh my God.
Tomorrow.
Stop saying tomorrow.
This is it, guys. Next video you guys see, these are gonna be on there. New wheels, new brake pads, new rotors. Completely new look for the STI, so I'm excited, man. Hey guys, so let me know what you guys think of the new coilovers, new rotors, new pads and everything. At home I do have the rest of the axles. I have 2 axles in here that actually have ripped boots, so I placed an order on that. And that should be getting here on Monday, so I want to get that done before we take it over to Javier's shop, because I guess replacing boots on these are a pain in the ass. So I'm going to try and get that done. And then we have the oil seals, which I also have in here. So we literally have everything for the swap. Everything's good to go. Now it's just about waiting. So we'll catch you guys in the next one.